Okay, so come up in the front here. I'm going to explain to you guys this magical thing called set ease to multiple parameters. Okay. I'm going to make this a little bit official because I want to make sure my drawings are correct. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is after you tween, or after you keyed in your animation. So let's start with the timeline first. Doesn't matter what it is. So we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you've created keys. When you apply a key, you hit Control plus K to tween. You can select all of this at the same time and hit Control K. What that'll do, first it'll change your box to black, and then connect a line across. Okay? When you see a line and your boxes are black, it means that you've applied a key, or a tween, to your keys. You're gonna look for the next box located on your timeline on top, and it kind of looks like this. Who made that comment about symbols looking exactly the same?
Me?
Yeah, well, this is your set ease to multiple parameters icon.
Great. It looks exactly like the drawn paints.
It looks like, yeah, if I erase these orange, I put an arrow, it's basically convert lines to fill symbol. But this is your set ease to multiple parameters symbol. When you click that, it'll open up something like this. I'm just going to trace what I see there. There's actually going to be 4 boxes here at the bottom. You really don't have to pay attention to the first top 2 boxes. So this is your left and your right. So in these left and right time ratio things is where you'll put your eases. The one thing you'll notice is you're always going to be in the middle. So if you're on frame 0 or frame 1, you're still going to be here, and this doesn't exist. This gets grayed out. But if we are on frame 3, frame 1 would be here. And what you'll see is something like this. Okay? And this will be frame 6. Okay? So currently we're on frame 3. When you don't punch in any of these numbers, it's basically saying, okay, this is a completely even timing. So we're going to animate a bullet. So this is frame 1. We're going to go to frame 3. And what happens in frame 1 to frame 3 is you're going to get a completely even timing. Everybody with me so far? At default. The way I like to think about this is if at some point you want to slow down, picture yourself on a roller coaster. You're never gonna unsee this now. Okay, so you're on a roller coaster. It's going straight down. Okay, seriously, yeah, you laugh, but this will help.
This is so cute. Yeah.
So you're on a roller coaster and you're going straight down. If, for some reason, on frame 6, which is located here, from frame 3, what are you laughing? Okay, stop laughing.
God.
If for some reason you want to, you reach the point where you want to start to slow down and go back up, and you want your timing to be like this, where it favors this, the top part, you're going to enter a right time module of, usually I like to use 80. What that'll do with this curvature is it's going to start off slow and speed up. Does that make sense?
So it's an equal.
Yes. Yeah. So
right's
the right is
out,
easing
left
out,
is easing in.
easing in
Okay.
from the center point, which is your frame 3. If for some reason we're on frame 6 now, so let's say we're at 6, and this is 9, and this is 3. This will actually, sorry, David, from frame 3, because we've applied the right time module in frame 3, it's going to look like, this is the equivalent. Okay? So remember, it starts off fast and it slows down into 6. Okay? And this is still 0 because we haven't adjusted anything yet. Oh, sorry. It's actually like this. Okay. So that's what we had from when we set the right time module. Now, if you want to slow down into frame 6, or sorry, let's skip that. Let's say we want to slow down in frame 9. Like, we want it to look like this. So let's say we want to slow down into frame 9. I'm going to change this to 9. Sorry. And we want our roller coaster to look like this. Then where would we put the number 80?
Left.
The left. Because we're easing into it. And our roller coaster dude is happy to be home. Okay, so picture yourself on a roller coaster and decide, do I want to speed up or do I want to slow down? Cool? That's helpful? Cool. All right, thanks.